My name is Klaus Korger. I'm the responsible sales manager for Germany and Eastern Europe for the Audi A8 Security. And I would like to show you a little bit of our exclusive interior of the car. What you can see here is the big legroom in our Audi A8 long wheelbase. And you can see here we used a special exclusive leather from Quattro GmbH. So it's fully individualized, especially for the customer request. And what we are very proud of is the rear seat entertainment with our big screen here, and especially our relaxation seat in the car, which is a USP in this kind of car. So just let me quickly demonstrate for you. So this is the upright position, and when you want to relax a bit, then this chair will just go in a very front position to the dashboard, and it will fold the headrest and then fold the backrest, and then you can see here it's coming out, and this is not a seat for someone, for the passenger of the rear seat to put his legs on it. And as you can see also, the seat now is in a very comfortable position.
If I push this button.
This is nothing to push. Just the warnings. Whenever you activate the emergency exit system, this will start. You will see the light here, and you will hear sound in the car, which is telling you that the system of the emergency exit, the explosives, are on. But nothing would happen. So if it's wrong, you press again and it will shut down the system. But the moment when this light is on and you hear the sound, and if you then pull this handle, then you will start the explosion. And then the door, the explosion will happen, and then you can just press a bit the door, and then it will fall out.
Do you have a look?
Yeah, explain what it is.
Behind this wall we have all optional electronic steering systems. The systems for radios, the systems for the firefighting system, the system for oxygen, system for the inside passengers. And if you will open, you have to turn the screws outside.
Серега, иди быстрее снимать. Серега, быстрее. Уйдет. Ну это для всех фотографий. Что случилось?
It's warn signal for the passengers that you accept or see that anybody is taking or that it's open the system.
Слушай, а представляешь, один предохранитель перегорел.
Learn the people to sit in a way, that to steer in a way that when they need all the skills they have, that they are ready. When you look to Mr. Vettel in his private car, he's not sitting like this in the private car, he's just sitting normal in it. When you look to Mr. Vettel in a private car, you think he's He's not one of the best drivers in the world. This is my colleague, Stefan. You will meet him later, and when you look to him, then you think, hey, what's this? Can he not drive? He's sitting in the car like my grandmother. Huh? But always the sitting position a bit down. Of course, he has to look over the steering wheel, but I always do it in a way with a hand on top of my head. This is the way I do, between roof and head, and then I have enough space. Why I'm a bit deeper in the car? When I want to brake, when I want to kick the brakes and I'm too high in the car, I push myself up and I cannot brake harder. So a bit more deep in the car, I brake, and always with bended legs. I always have a bended leg. I never can stretch my leg in the car. Why? When I brake, I cannot brake more now. And when I crash this pure vertical car and my leg is stretched, then all the forces are in one line, and then my leg is going in my hip bone like a straight nail in the wood. Then you see always bended arms. Not straight, but about this, yeah. And then I take the steering wheel. You can take the steering wheel in an Audi in older position. I do it always in a way when my shoulders are in the chair. I stretch my arms. When I can put my watch. This is okay. Then I bring here, put this, and I bring this back. This part shorter. As a passenger, it's okay because you don't need to brake. But now when I have to brake, then I need a bit of space. Bang. Steering technique. Put my belt. Yeah, like this. Headrest is okay. Steering technique. Hands like this, like a monkey. Until here, I keep my hands on the wheel. That's enough. Yeah. When I have to steer more, thumbs out of the wheel. Otherwise, cannot steer. Until here, my hand stays on the wheel.
Ready? Yeah. Take that also. Yeah, it's more comfortable too. Okay, close to the wheel. Up and
Go. And brake. Power. Brake. Power. Brake. Power. Brake. No understeer. Let the car roll. And power. Power. Brake. Power. Brake. Power. Brake. Power. Brake. Power. 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 Brake. There is a very good point in the Audi A8. That's the 180 degrees twist. This turn with a modern saloon car is impossible. Second, it's not wise. When there is the criminal with a gun in his hand and I go in his direction, that's not nice. Yeah? An object is bigger, it's easier to hit. Yeah? It's not that Audi says that, this is the FBI who said, don't do this anymore, it doesn't work. What is possible with an Audi, I stop the car, bring the car in reverse, then full speed, yeah? I reverse, then I look in the mirror, where do I left, where do I steer? Do I steer left or do I steer right? When I'm on the right side of the road, steer left. So full speed. And because I also have front wheel drive, yeah, I stay on power. Power on, power. And you're all Russian, so power is not a problem. Yeah? Give power, and you are strong here. So now you have an advantage because you give power, steer, aggressive, yeah, with power. Steer the car to the left. Dunk, you hear. Still power on. My car is moving, and now. Switch off your foot off the accelerator. Off. Why? Load change. The only thing I do now, steer back and bring the car without braking in D again. And with Audi, it's possible to bring the car in D when you have it in reverse. It's not good for the car, but yeah, what the hell? Something with a gun. to be in my car as a VIP. I need a VIP in the car.
Perhaps not the light on top. So, VIPs. That's happened.
Nice to meet you.
Perhaps it's the last ride, yeah? Because I heard there will be an attack today. Yeah?
Maybe we shall not go this direction. There's a man with a gun there.
Yeah. Perhaps it's stupid. Yeah. Better stay home. Go back, down. Possible.
We were nearly killed. Thank you very much. It's white salary.
Thank you. I need it for my 20 kids. Yeah. And many wives. First I drive without ESP and I show that this Quattro system with air suspension is very easy and safe to drive. Unless we weight now with 4 passengers more than 4,000 kilos. But it's ladies in the rear there, of course.
You drive very gently.
I have to be very gently with the steering wheel. First I make a mistake, yeah? I steer too abrupt. I have no ESP now. You see the car, you feel that the air suspension is very easy. Also with ESP, you feel the difference. You feel that the car's braking for us. Very soft. I don't fight with this car. Why should I fight? I lose. Yeah. So now I make a mistake. I'm off the road. Again, let's make a mistake. Let's really mistake. Hey, 140 kilometers, and we are coming back on the road. Sorry, it's always dangerous behind me. All-wheel drive, yeah? This is all-wheel drive. Let's brake in the corner on the mixed, yeah? Yeah? Nothing happened, yeah?
I work in Austria in the winter. I always drive with all-wheel drive there because I don't want to put the change on and just climb uphill with my Audi Quattro.
That's good. How was it in the rear?
Comfortable.
It's not a race car. We drove with this car on the racetrack, but it's not a race car, and we drove speed. What was, I think, when the criminal is driving the same speed, then it's really a fast criminal. We drove on the track, we drove off the track, and we want to give you an impression of this car. We are very proud of this car, that they managed a 4,000 kilo car with this, what is able to do what we did today. 180 degrees with a smile, off the road with a smile, full power in the field. That's all crazy. Yeah? Please don't try it at home, but it is possible, especially in your country. Here we have much more better weather, the road conditions are better. We have here, for example, 3 weeks now. You have many months now, and we think that this is the best solution when you need an armored car and a comfortable car. So yeah, that was for us. When I speak about us, very nice to do. That's why, Stefan.
Yeah, this is why we want to hand over a certificate to prove that you have been here in Lausitzring today to experience the A8 security car, the armed A8, and also a bit fun at the end of the day, some quick claps on the R8 here at the Lausitzring.
Hier.